Hey, what's up guys, Adam Lobo here from Adam Lobo TV, and in this video, I'll show you guys how to get Netflix to be installed in your Huawei Mate30 Pro, so keep watching. Now first and foremost, thank you so much for all your amazing feedback on my GMS installation video, which was released previously, where even Arun from Mr. Who's the Boss even managed to get it to work on his device. So yes, the method works, so make sure to follow the exact instructions on how exactly I've said in the video and you'll be all set. Now in my other video, which is the reasons to get or not to get the Huawei Mate30 Pro, I've mentioned there is no way to get Netflix to work on the phone, and finally, I've managed to get it to work, so let's get started. Now first and foremost, you'll need to open the native Huawei browser and then type apkpure.com. Then on the top right, there is a search option. Hit there and then type Netflix. Then choose the first Netflix option over there. Now instead of immediately choosing the download XAPK, scroll down to the previous version and then hit the more option, which you will find it on the right. Next, scroll down all the way until you can see v3.16.16 build 5382 and download that APK version. After the download is completed, follow the instructions to install the APK accordingly, and you're done. Now one tiny little drawback is the fact that the videos are not being played on the full HD resolution, but to me, as you guys can see, looked really nice. And as I mentioned before, if you guys really want to enjoy a proper Netflix experience, just watch it on the TV instead, as I think that watching it through mobile is mainly for on-the-go situations where if you guys are commuting to work or even from places to places, and since the phone has a 4400 milliamps of battery and with the EMUI software optimization in the phone, you can view hours of video content. And there's also another good news because I've managed to try the same method for the Huawei MediaPad M6 and it also works as well, as you guys can see. So there you have it guys. If you guys have any questions, do let me know at the comment section below, and once again, just follow the exact instructions and it will surely work. Aside from that, thank you so much for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed this video and found this video helpful, and if you did, be sure to give this video a nice big thumbs up, like, share and subscribe to Adam Lobo TV if you haven't done so. Don't forget to hit the bell icon just next to it to get notified for my future videos. Thank you so much for watching. This is Adam Lobo and I'll catch you guys in my next video.